Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. Today we'll be talking about some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Now the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with Android 14 out of the box and you get One UI 6.1. This year if you had watched the launch event of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Samsung's emphasis on AI was way too high. There are a lot of AI features on this device, so we'll be talking about all those features and some of the tips and tricks you can try out on this device to make the experience better. So this device comes in three variants, the S24 series, the S24 Ultra, S24 Plus and the S24. Now you can try out all these features on all the three devices, so they are pretty much common. And let's talk about this on the One UI 6.1. So let's just first take about device. So you can see here Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and we have the One UI 6.1 and Android 14. So let's get started. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So first, let's go to the lock screen. Now if you lock the device, you can see this is the always on display. Now always on display by default is a display which has this wallpaper dim, pretty similar to the iPhone's always on display. But you can actually change this always on display. So what you need to do is just go to settings and select the always on display option. So lock screen and always on display. So enable the always on display, and here you can see here show lock screen wallpaper. Just disable this option and you get the regular always on display. So now if you lock the device, so you can see this is the regular always on display. You don't have the wallpaper. Now the advantage with this always on display is that it consumes lesser battery than the wallpaper one. So you can just turn off the wallpaper. Then when to show the always on display? That is another option. It will show the always on display automatically when the device is outside. If it is inside the pocket or purse or in a dark room, it won't show. Then always means it will show the always on display all the time. Tap to show if you just tap on the display, or you can schedule it and for new notifications. So these are the options in the always on display, so you can customize it how you want. Next step, let's talk about the customizing the wallpaper. So if you just select the wallpaper, you can see the regular wallpaper. Just select change wallpapers. Here we have some creative option. This is generative. It's using AI methods. So if you just click here, you can see here there are some options to create imaginary wallpaper, night wallpaper, painting, terrain. All these are AI generated. Say for example, if I select night, it will say, you can see here abstract gray, distant mountain with ice, or you can enable whatever you want. Instead of gray, you can enable say for example red. Then distant mountain range, you can go with a beach, then with ice, or you can just go with sand. So similarly you can just click and then you can ask it to generate it. Now the AI generative algorithm will create a wallpaper for you. You can see here there are multiple options. These are AI generated wallpaper. This is pretty cool actually. You can try your own options here. There are plenty of options available and some of the options are here as well. So this is generative AI for wallpaper. So instead of downloading an app, you can create your own AI wallpapers. Now another feature is the circle to search. Now how does it work? If I'm reading something on the browser, just click on this home screen option and you can see here circle anywhere to search. So just tap on this and you can see that it will automatically Google search and it will show you that this is OnePlus 12R and it will show the details and all the results. So this is something which is quite useful. You can do the circle to search. Just click on this home button and it will open the search and you can just circle anywhere and it will search for it. This is very useful. You can use two fingers to zoom and pan the image as well. So this is the circle to search. Now if you look at the notification toggle, so if you want to open the notification toggle, you can just swipe down. You can see the notification toggle. So swipe from anywhere, you can see the notification toggle, and if you swipe one more, you can see the expanded view of the notification toggle. Now another option is if you go here and select edit quick setting instant access. So this you just turn it on. Now what you do is just swipe here. You can see that in one swipe itself it shows the entire notification toggles instead of you having to swipe multiple times. Then if you want to customize this, there are options here. You can go with the full option, and you can see there are plenty of options. You can just drag and rearrange options. If I want the Dolby Atmos here, you can just drag and rearrange, done, and you will see Dolby Atmos now. So this is some options. If you want to quickly customize with the options you want, you can do that from the settings. So you can also access the connected devices. If you have some connected devices, you can also access from the quick settings and notification toggle. So this is a very useful feature in the notification toggle. In the next option, go to the dialer, select settings, and here you can see the live translate option. So when a call comes up, you can, if once this is enabled, you get real translation during calls. Tap the call assist button, there will be a call assist button, and if you just tap it, it will select the live translate option, and all this data processing is done on the phone itself. It's not done on any other server, so everything remains on the phone. So this is very useful option. Then there is also the record calls, one of the most sought after feature. Automatic call records is there, and you can see that recorded calls can be available here, and you can view or listen to the call recording. So these are options in the phone dialer. Now next, let's go to the settings. So here there are plenty of options. So if you go here, first option is the advanced settings. So here we have advanced intelligence. So this is the new AI feature included. So first phone, we have already talked about this live translate. So you will get option to translate calls during the phone call. Then the Samsung keyboard option. So there are some useful features available in the Samsung keyboard option. I'll just show you this. Chat translation. Then you have the style and grammar. These are the advanced option. So I'll just show you how this works. So I just typed this is the comparison of Samsung versus iPhone. Now there is a button here. Just click this. You can select the writing style. So what it does is it will change the writing style. You can see this is the comparison. This is the original one, the professional one. This document represents a comparative analysis between Samsung and iPhone. The casual one, the social one, the polite one, the emoji one. So everything you get using this. Apart from that, there is also option for checking the spelling and grammar. You can just select this, and you can enable the grammar option as well. So this is available in the Samsung keyboard. Then in Samsung Notes, if you are a person who takes up a lot of notes, you have this option to assist, help in organizing and improving your notes. You can see here auto format, summarize, generate cover based on notes, text and spelling and grammar checking, and translate text in your notes. So these options are there if you are using notes. Then the voice recorder. This is having an option for summaries. Now when you record a voice, say for example you are attending some press conferences, or if you are a student attending some class, and you turn on the voice recorder, and we'll just show you that as well. And if you are recorded something using the voice recorder, and if you want to have a transcript or summary, what you need to do is just click here. Then you have the summary and transcript option. So now this is what the speaker has told in the audio clip, and you get a transcript, and also summary is there. Summary is when the clip is a bit longer, you get the summary as well. So very useful functionality if you are attending some function and or event, and the speaker is speaking and you want a transcript of that, you can get it from this. Very useful feature for that option. Then you also get a Samsung browser. There are some options. I'll just show you that as well. So here we have here this is the browser, and here we have the button. Just click on this button, and you can see here summarize option. So summarizing, whatever, if you don't want to read the entire article, if it's something like 1,000 or 1,500 worded article, you don't want to read the entire thing, you can get the summary here. So this is very useful feature. If you are reading some ebook and you want a summary of that, you can use it, this one. Similarly, there is also a translate option as well. So these are some useful features in the browser. Then there is also AI option in the photo editor. I'll just show you that as well. Say for example, if I'm taking a photo, and if I click this button, you can see here some options are added. These are AI option: erase shadows, 24-hour time lapse, remaster. So erase shadow, if I go, it will automatically analyze the shadows, and you can see here entire shadows are gone. These are again AI generated. So you can see here the difference here. The shadows are gone, the shadows are available. So this is another option. Then apart from that, if you go here, you can see here 24-hour time lapse. You can generate a time lapse of this. So that's something which the AI algorithm suggests. It's not that actually you have all the options for all the images. It's based on the photo what you have. So you can see here, this is a time lapse created, AI time lapse created. So additional options are shown based on the image. So you also have this remaster option. If you want to remaster the image, you have that option as well. So that's the AI option. Then apart from that, this is another video. You can see here the video is taken in regular mode. Now if I click, press and hold here, what it does, it will go in the slow motion mode. So you can right now see the video is now in slow motion. The moment I release, it will go into the regular mode. So just press and hold, and it will go into the slow motion option. So there you go, you can see a slow motion. So this again AI generated. You can have the slow motion of any video you have recorded. Then another option is the edge lighting. Now edge lighting is not new. It has been there on Samsung devices for quite long time. So if you go to the notifications, then notification pop-up style, you can see here edge lighting. So there are plenty of options. You can see here the edge lighting options. You can customize how you want. If you want multicolor edge lighting, then you can also change the color. Then advanced, you can change the width of the AI edge lighting. I'll just show you once again the width of the edge lighting. You can see here now it's very high, and you can also set the duration. So edge lighting is basically whenever a notification comes up, it shows up in the display. The edges are lighted up. So this is the edge display. If you want it, you can enable it from the notification. Then another option is in the camera. Now camera has a new option. If you just go here and select widgets, you can see here custom camera option. Quickly access any camera mode. You can customize it. If you take a lot of selfies, you can add this widget onto the desktop, and what it does is just tapping on that widget, it will take you to the set camera mode. Say for example, if you're taking selfies, if you're taking low light photos, whichever you're taking, it will take you to that option. So that's the camera widget available. Then apart from that, if you go to the camera options, we have really good options available here. So you can see here night mode, slow motion, dual recording is there, then hyperlapse, single take, all these things are included here. Portrait, night mode, everything you can get. And in terms of video recording, you can go up to 8K video recording, which is also there. 8K recording, you can see here 30 FPS is the highest resolution available. So these are options in the camera. Then if you are buying a 45 watt charger for your Samsung S24 series, now you might be knowing that Samsung doesn't ship a charger with the box. Now if you are getting a fast charger, what you need to do is go to the battery options, and you can see here charging settings. You need to enable the fast charging option here. Then only the 45 watt charger will charge the device faster. So otherwise it will be using the same 25 watt charging. So make sure you enable this on. Then there is also wireless power sharing option. This can wirelessly charge any other device. When you turn this on, you can use the back panel to charge the device. Say for example iPhones or your TWS or your watch, you can wirelessly charge using this device. So that's another useful functionality. Now there is also a maintenance mode available. Now what it does is, if you are giving your phone now because of any issue to the service center, you have some issues like the privacy issues, your photos, your documents, your email, everything will be available. You don't have to reset it. Now what it does is just go to the device care and select the maintenance mode. So maintenance mode protects your privacy while someone else is using a phone, such as when you're sending it for repairs. So how maintenance modes keep your phone? It will have only the pre-installed apps. All other personal documents like pictures, messages, accounts can't be accessed, and downloaded apps are hidden. So you need to unlock your phone to turn off the maintenance mode. So this is very useful option if you're giving the device to your service center for any sort of repairs. Now if you feel that your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is draining battery a lot, what you can do is go to the display and turn on the dark mode. It will help in reducing the battery drain, and also you can reduce the screen resolution. Now there is also QHD Plus, that's the default one. Full HD is kind of okay, but if you still want to reduce HD, that will have a lesser resolution. So this will actually improve the battery to an extent. So if you select the screen resolution, you can see there is QHD Plus, Full HD Plus and HD Plus. So you can actually go with Full HD Plus. I wouldn't recommend HD Plus because that would reduce the resolution, but Full HD Plus would reduce the battery drain a bit. But again, not much of a difference, but still you would be able to make up some battery. You can also go with the dark mode. Then in terms of screen colors, you can go with the vivid or natural. You can change the brightness and the white balance option. You can go with the cooler tone or the warmer tone. So these are some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with the One UI 6.1. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.